everyone, I'm Ralys, and today I will show you how I make cashew probiotic smoothie. I'm gonna use cashew creamer that I just made. Please see that video right before this video. It's posted on YouTube. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a few extra ingredients and we're gonna have a totally different drink. All right, so we're gonna use the base of the cashew creamer. I'm gonna add frozen strawberries. I'm gonna add extra water, filtered water, 2 bananas, and a few capsules of the Renew Life probiotic. So we're gonna add all the extra ingredients in. This is a portion for 4 people, so I will take 4 capsules. And I, of course, will not put it in with the cover, with the capsule. I'm gonna open and just pour the actual probiotic in. And in this video, I'm using Blendtec blender. Makes my life much easier to make delicious, fast, nutritious food. All right, and this time we will use frozen, I don't know what the name is, it just shows frozen ice creams, I believe, and creamier consistency products. So I'm gonna be using that button. And that took a minute, and we have a probiotic cashew drink or smoothie. Beautiful texture, beautiful taste, I'm sure. Cheers, and until next time.